An Icemaker with a water dispenser. You want to hook it up to the reverse osmosis. I'm going to show you step by step so that way you don't have to struggle, because the kit that comes with it sucks. But I'll show you how you can achieve it. So yeah, now I'm going to show you what's going on with this. So once you buy this, if you want, you can pause the video. That is what you're going to need, the X0050 and 1 XP9, yes. But when you go to Amazon, I think it's TMP or something like that, costs $30. So if you go there, you're going to get this box, and you don't have everything. This kit sucks. So I'll show you why. So basically, you're going to have this tank that you see here. Also, if you want, you can pause the video, but this is what you're going to get. So you have this. So basically, you grab the alkaline water line, or if you have this, right? I mean, I have the T4 water drop. So if you have, in my case, I wanted to use just the pure water. Cut it here, otherwise you can use the alkaline is the gray one and the blue one is the pure water. So you cut it, put the T, as you can see here, and then you will have to screw this adapter into the tank. So easy, you have the shut-off valve, and that's it. So after that, you have to cut it again, and then you are going to use this T that you see here, and then after that T, from here it goes to the faucet that you have over there. So from here, I have this line that you see here. This line is longer because it's supposed to go straight to the refrigerator. I wanted to keep using this. I don't want to use this. This to me is very low quality. And if you move, the refrigerator, or you have a pet or something like that, this is going to resist any bite or any misuse. This is more fragile. So basically, I had to buy two adapters. So I have to buy this in order to hook it up to this. Otherwise, it comes with these connectors that you see here. So basically, you see these tubes. So basically, you put this first here, and then you put the tube inside, and then you put the ferrule after that, and then you close it, and that should seal the hose. I don't like that. I prefer the other ones. So I'll show you what I bought. So I bought this, and so this is what I had in the refrigerator. So this, I'll show you. I bought it in Amazon. So I bought 3 kits because I bought many things before this, and even I didn't know about this kit until I called the manufacturer. So I say, okay, I'm going to buy many things, whatever works, I'll keep. The rest you can return. So this is the pure sec. This is what you see here. So if you want to pause the video, otherwise I'll leave it in the video description, so that way you can buy the same thing. So you're going to get this. So if you see, you put the tubing just here inside, and then you're going to need the adapter. The adapter is this one. I went to Home Depot and I bought this. So if you want to see, this is the model number 584926 LFA 16 compression coupling. So basically, you see this tube, that is what you use inside of the tubing, but I didn't have to use it in my case. So basically, I took this plus the adapter, and this is the adapter. So basically, I screw the adapter to here, and that's it. And this is the piece. So basically, you screw this. You have to use, if you use this adapter, you have to use Teflon tape, otherwise it's going to leak. Put it like that, and then you insert the pipe, the tubing inside of this, and that's it. So that is how I was able to do it. Otherwise, it comes with some useless adapters, and also it didn't come with any holder, because if you see, you're going to have this, laying around. I don't like it. So for now, I installed this like 2 days ago, but I didn't know about this. I wanted to hook everything, so I'm going to do some cable tubing management, and I want to organize this later. But I have to see if there is any something, to clamp it and hold it somewhere. I don't want this, loose. This should be maybe against the wall or something like that. It should not be like this hanging. So basically I just try to make it work, see if it works, great. Otherwise I'll give you the other adapter that I think the other adapter comes with the kit, you see, this one, and you can buy this one. This one I like it better because it comes with the gasket, the rubber gasket at the end, so that way you don't have to use Teflon tape or anything like that. So if you want to go that route, is that you can buy this that you see here, the adapter, 1/4 to 1/2 inch, and that's it. So basically you screw this here and the other just in the water line that comes from the refrigerator, and that's it. And the third one that I bought here, this was my other option, just in case if I use their this nut that it came with their kit, with this, and I put it here so that way I can screw in one end, use the other one for the refrigerator, and that's it. I bought this. I didn't use any of these. Yes, I do. I use this. I bought this just in case if I needed, some extra. I wanted to make it work, no waste, hours or days. So this is the end result, but it works, so I don't have any issues. So as you can see, it works very, very well. No problem at all. That's it. So hopefully this video was useful. If you have any question, please let me know, section below. Also, if you want to keep learning about plumbing or anything else, go to the playlist. I have all my videos organized by topics. Thank you for watching. See you next time.